filtering a list based on a list of Booleans. I have a list of values which I need to filter given the values in a list of Booleans. I generate a new filtered list with the following line, which results in... The line works but looks, to me, a bit overkill, and I was wondering if there was a simpler way to achieve the same. Advices. Summary of 2 good advices given in the answers below. 1. Don't name a list filter like I did because it is a built-in function. 2. Don't compare things to true like I did with if filter idx equals true since it's unnecessary. Just using if filter idx is enough.
Like so. Using zip is the Pythonic way to iterate over multiple sequences in parallel without needing any indexing. This assumes both sequences have the same length. Zip stops after the shortest runs out. Using itertools for such a simple case is a bit overkill. One thing you do in your example you should really stop doing is comparing things to true. This is usually not necessary. Instead of if filter x equals true column ... you can simply write if filter x column ...
You're looking for itertools.compress. Timing comparisons py3.x. Don't use filter as a variable name, it is a built-in function.
To do this using numpy, i.e., if you have an array A instead of list underscore A.
With numpy or see Alex Satmary's answer if list underscore can be a number py array but not filter. Numpy usually gives you a big speed boost as well.